To improve the sound quality on a JBL Charge 6, first of all, we need to open the JBL Portable app on the smartphone device currently connected with our speaker. Next step is to select our speaker from the list, and then we can find a bunch of different settings that we can customize. So I prefer to actually use the equalizer instead of the playtime boost to improve the sound quality. So we're gonna go for the JBL signature, which I think sounds the best. You can also try the playtime boost, but for me it doesn't work as I wanted. So what I mean by that is I just prefer the equalizer. So you can choose whichever one you like, the playtime boost or equalizer, however you like. Now another thing that you can try is to open a Bluetooth settings on your smartphone device or any other device, then move into JBL Charge 6 settings and all the way down activate AAC, which improves the sound quality experience for that speaker. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.